Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Valorant not opening. So guys, first thing that you will do if you ever encounter this issue, just simply go over here to the bottom and right click on it and go to Task Manager. And now just simply go to Details. And from here guys, just try to find Valorant here. So guys, if there are any Valorant application over here, make sure to simply click on it, and from here just end task over here and click on end process. So just try to find any Valorant application and you should be able to end task, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, first thing that you will do is search over here Valorant, and now just go for open file location, and from here just right click on it and go for open file location. And now from here guys, just go to Riot Games over here and go for Valorant and go for live, go for shooter game, go for binaries, go for Win64, and now scroll down and you should be able to see here Valorant Win64 shipping. So just simply right click on it, and from here just go for properties and go for compatibility, and make sure to click on this run this program as an administrator and click on apply and click on OK. And from there you should be able to fix the issue. And now for the next option that you have, if it still doesn't fix, go for services over here and click on this. And now just try to find VGC and now just click on it. And from here, make sure it is on automatic, guys. And make sure to click on apply. And once you apply it, just click on start and wait for it to load. And after that, just simply restart your computer. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, for the next option that you have is just go to device manager. And from here, just go for display adapters. And from here, just click on Radeon RX 570. So just simply right click on it. And from here, you'll be able to see update driver. And from here, just click search automatically for drivers. And when an update is available, you should be able to update it here. And from there, you should be able to download the latest version and you'll be able to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!